Hi there, it's Nina Nandagopal at almostpractical.com, and today I want to unbox the Cricut Joy with you. I bought the bundle that they have for Cricut Access members, and I'm brand new to the Joy. I do have a Cricut Maker and a Cricut Explore Air too, but I just decided that I wanted to try this out and try a few different projects on it and learn about it along with you guys. So let's dive in. I don't even know what types of accessories and things are in this bundle, but here it is. So we'll start here with there is one roll of Smart Iron-On in silver. There is one roll of Smart Iron-On in gold. There is a set of Cricut Joy cards, and they appear to be like multicolored, red, blue, and green with a little bit of a silver. I guess that would be the inlay. There is a roll of Smart Vinyl Permanent, and a roll, and that's in silver, and then there's a roll of Smart Vinyl in gold that's also permanent, and both of these rolls are 10 feet long, so that should make a good number of projects. And then there is a card mat, and then there's the Cricut Joy itself, and I'm just going to move this box because it's a little large, and we'll take out the box that's inside of it. Alright, so here is the Cricut Joy, and I'm just going to open this up. This is a really cool little tool, by the way, that I found at Michael's, and it has a little bit of I'll try to look it up and link it for you below, but it's really great for opening packages and things, and I don't know, it's slim, it fits in your drawer. Thought I'd mention that. So here is the Cricut Joy itself. And another box. This is like those dolls that have one doll inside of another doll inside of another doll. This is a box inside of a box inside of another box. Okay, so I'm going to move these supplies out of the way, and we're going to take a look and see what comes in the Cricut Joy. And there is again a seal on here. Oh, it's unboxing. You never know what you're going to find. Okay, so we're going to open this. There's seals on the side. Just do that. We'll take this one and do that. All right, look at, there it is. Here's the Cricut Joy. So there's a package, and inside that are materials for your first project. And I think you'll find that online, so I'm going to do another video with the first project. And then there's a little cute little mat, a regular grip mat for the Joy. And then the actual Joy itself, which is here, and it's cute. It's definitely a nice compact size. Fits on your desk, fits on the shelf. Easier to pull out and use, I think, than the big Cricut machines. And inside here there are some cables. There is a brick like this, and then the actual charging cable. And there is a pen. And the Cricut Joy takes a different size pen than the Maker and the Explore Air 2, which I was a little bit bummed about because I have so many pens for those two machines. So I have to start up my Cricut Joy pen collection, I guess. So there you have it. That is the bundle that is for Cricut Access members. And I know right now, and I don't know if it's going to be how long the deal is for, but Cricut Joy was being offered by itself for like $179 and maybe 99 cents. And I'm not sure, like if you had to buy all these things separately, the bundle is probably not worth as much as buying. I'm not even saying that right. The value is probably better for you to buy the individual Cricut Joy at that price and add just go shop for your accessories. But I do like the bundle, being that I'm completely new to the Cricut Joy. I really didn't know what things I would need to get started. So I like that everything sort of came and I can kind of experiment with these materials and then decide what other materials I might want to buy. So there you have it, the Cricut Joy Bundle. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a like. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel where I do a lot of videos about reviews of Cricut products and Erin Condren products, my other obsession. And come visit me on my website, almostpractical.com, where I write about a lot of organizing and productivity. So thank you so much for joining me today.